How to fix no audio output is installed after installing Windows October 10, 2018 update. Solution 1, install Windows 10 KB 4468550 update, automatically, via Windows Update, or manually, via this link at https://goo.gl/kjzza. See details at https://goo.gl/f4wi of. Audio stops working after installing Intel Audio Driver from Windows Update. Solution 2, manual. Remove Intel Audio Controller version 9.21.0.3755 from Device Manager. Type Device Manager in the search box. Find and expand sound, video, and game controllers. Look for a Realtek device, or a device that has a yellow triangle with an exclamation point. Click on the device to select it. From the View menu, choose Devices by Connection. Look at the parent device. This will be called something like Intel SST Audio Controller, Intel Smart Sound Technology Driver version 09.21.00.3755, right-click the controller device. Choose Properties. You should get a dialog like below. Click on the Driver tab as shown. If the driver version is 9.21.0.3755, you have the driver that was sent to you incorrectly. Click on Install Device. You will get a pop-up asking if you want to remove the driver too, as shown. Check the checkbox as shown, so the driver will be removed. Click on Install. When the driver is uninstalled, reboot your system. For experience users only, Solution 3, from an admin command prompt, type the following, /enum drivers hint number 1, a whole bunch of drivers will be listed. You'll want to find the one that matches this, publish name, OEMXXXX.inf. Original name, IncAudioBus.inf. Provider name, Intel, R, Corporation class name, System class GUID. (43/6E970E325111CEBFC108002B10318) driver version, August 22, 2018 09.21.0.3755 signer name, Microsoft Windows hardware compatibility publisher hint number 2, in the above, you need to locate the OEMXXXX.inf. Name that is listed, XXXX could be any number. Be sure all the other details match up, otherwise you might remove the wrong driver. Once you have found the driver, run this command from an admin command prompt, /delete driver OEMXXXX.inf. /uninstall hint number 3, where OEMXXXX.inf is what you had found earlier. Solution 4, update Intel Smart Sound Technology Driver in Device Manager. Refer to the below IMG. Note, choose Browse from the computer and select High Definition Audio. Then click Next. Sst 10 PCs remove Intel, R, Smart Sound Technology Audio Controller from System Devices in Device Manager. For more info, see https://goo.gl/hubkb. Solution 6, download and install Graphics driver version 25.20.100.6326 at https://goo.gl/bsrhwb as admin. Other voices on the web. 1. For experienced users. Optionally, make sure Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services are running and set to automatic. Make the best of Add Hardware Wizard to update the Sst Driver. Enable the newly installed device in Device Manager later. Reboot your system. If the error continues, consider refreshing your Windows 10. 2. Reinstall the device driver. 3. Take the following steps to troubleshoot this issue. Remove the sound software from control panel. Remove sound driver if you can see it in Device Manager. Restart your computer, open Device Manager and click on Scan for hardware changes. If no audio device can be detected, you might need to update the chipset driver or any controller driver from the vendor's website.